Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about how to invest in cryptocurrency for beginners in 2023 top coins to buy. 1. Ethereum ETH. The first Bitcoin alternative on our list, Ethereum ETH, is a decentralized software platform that enables smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps, to be built and run without any downtime, fraud, control, or interference from a third party. The goal behind Ethereum is to create a decentralized suite of financial products that anyone in the world can freely access, regardless of nationality, ethnicity, or faith. This aspect makes the implications for those in some countries more compelling because those without state infrastructure and state identifications can get access to bank accounts, loans, insurance, or a variety of other financial products. Ethereum uses Ether, its platform-specific cryptographic token. Ether, ETH, is used to pay validators who stake their coins for their work for the blockchain, as a payment method off-chain, and as an investment by speculators. 2. Tether USDT. Tether USDT was one of the first and most popular of a group of so-called stablecoins, cryptocurrencies that aim to peg their market value to a currency or other external reference point to reduce volatility. Because most digital currencies, even major ones like Bitcoin, have experienced frequent periods of dramatic volatility, Tether and other stablecoins attempt to smooth out price fluctuations to attract users who may otherwise be cautious. Tether's price is tied directly to the US dollar because the developers claim to hold $1 for every circulating USDT. This system allows users to more easily make transfers from other cryptocurrencies back to US dollars in a more timely manner than actually converting to standard currency. 3. Binance Coin BNB. Binance Coin BNB is a utility cryptocurrency that operates as a payment method for the fees associated with trading on the Binance Exchange. It is the third largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Those who use the token as a means of payment for the exchange can trade at a discount. Binance Coin's blockchain is also the platform on which Binance's decentralized exchange operates. The Binance Exchange was founded by Changpeng Zhao and is one of the most widely used exchanges in the world based on trading volumes. Binance Coin was initially an ERC20 token that operated on the Ethereum blockchain. It eventually had its own mainnet launch and uses a POS consensus model. As of April 23, 2023, Binance Coin has a $51.5 billion market capitalization, with one BNB valued at around $330. 4. USD Coin USDC. Another stablecoin, USD Coin, also pegs its price to the US dollar using fiat collateralized reserves, which means it holds an amount of fiat currency equal to the amount of USD coin in circulation. USD Coin was launched in 2018 by the Centre Consortium, which consists of Circle and Coinbase. Because Circle is based in the US, it is subject to regulation, making USDC a regulated stablecoin. As of April 23, 2023, USD Coin has a market cap of $30.8 billion and a price per coin of $1. 5. XRP. XRP is the native token for the XRP ledger, created as a payment system by Ripple in 2012. The XRP ledger uses a consensus mechanism called the XRP Ledger Consensus Protocol, which doesn't use proof of work or proof of stake for consensus and validation. Instead, client applications sign and send transactions to the ledger servers. The servers then compare the transactions and conclude that the transactions are candidates for entry into the ledger. The servers then send the transaction candidates to validators, who work to agree that the servers got the transactions right and record the ledger version. On April 23, 2023, XRP had a market cap of about $24 billion and traded at around $0.47 Cardano ADA. Cardano ADA is an Ouroboros proof-of-stake cryptocurrency created with a research-based approach by engineers, mathematicians, and cryptography experts. The project was co-founded by Charles Hoskinson, one of the 5 initial founding members of Ethereum. After disagreeing with the direction that Ethereum was taking, he left and later helped to create Cardano. The team behind Cardano created its blockchain through extensive experimentation and peer-reviewed research. The researchers behind the project have written more than 120 papers on blockchain technology across various topics. This research is the backbone of Cardano. Due to this rigorous process, Cardano stands out among its POS peers and other prominent cryptocurrencies. Cardano has also been dubbed an Ethereum killer because its blockchain is said to be capable of more. That said, Cardano is still in its early stages, with a long way to go regarding DeFi applications. Cardano aims to be the world's financial operating system by establishing DeFi products similar to Ethereum's. It hopes to provide solutions for chain interoperability, voter fraud, and legal contract tracing, among other things. As of April 23, 2023, Cardano had the 6th largest market capitalization at $13.5 billion, and one ADA traded for around $0.39. 7. Dogecoin, Doge. Dogecoin, Doge, seen by some as the original meme coin, caused a stir in 2021 as its price skyrocketed. The coin, which uses an image of the Shiba Inu as its avatar, is accepted as a form of payment by some major companies. Dogecoin was created by 2 software engineers, Billy Markus and Jackson Palmer, in 2013. Markus and Palmer reportedly created the coin as a joke, commenting on the wild speculation of the cryptocurrency market. As of April 23, 2023, Dogecoin's market capitalization was $11.1 billion, and one Doge was valued at around $0.08, making it the 7th largest cryptocurrency. 8. Polygon, MATIC. Polygon, MATIC, was initially developed as a Layer 2 solution to address the issues with Ethereum network congestion and traffic. Recent innovations have allowed it to become a multi-chain system where blockchains can work together using Ethereum's virtual machine. 9. Solana, SOL. Founded in 2017, Solana is a blockchain platform designed to support decentralized applications, dApps. Also referred to as an Ethereum killer, Solana performs many more transactions per second than Ethereum. Additionally, it charges lower transaction fees than Ethereum. 10. Polkadot DOT. Polkadot DOT is a POS cryptocurrency aimed at delivering interoperability among other blockchains. Its protocol is designed to connect permissioned and permissionless blockchains and oracles to allow systems to work together under one roof. Polkadot's core component is its relay chain, which enables the interoperability of varying networks. It also provides for parachains, parallel blockchains with their own native tokens for specific use cases. Polkadot differs from Ethereum because rather than creating just apps on Polkadot, developers can create their own blockchain while also using the security that Polkadot's chain already has. Make sure to watch the full video. Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.